Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert a hyperlink into your tasks on or inside the Freedcamp project management app. So let us dive into this. All right, start by heading over to your account inside the Freedcamp web application. Navigate to the given task, for example, and then guys, click into it. And you can do this, for example, here in the description by clicking into this button at the description. If you'd like to leave an instruction for your team members, including a hyperlink. So what you need to do, guys, is click into this button, link, or choose the shortcut Ctrl+K. And then, guys, you may choose a display text like, I don't know, I will go with link here for your team members. Let's say select a link type URL, but you can also link internally to an anchor in the text. And here, enter the URL. So let us go with google.com, copy the URL. Click into OK, and as you can see, that's the link. You can also remove it. Yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.